over, man, I'm gonna explain to y'all exactly what I be doing, man. Cause y'all need to know. Right now I'm doing them side lats, man, them side raises, man. We gotta get them shoulders in, man. We gotta get these shoulders right, man. But we gotta hit them from the side, man. You know what I mean? Them work the side. You know, there's 3 heads to your shoulders. The front, the side, and the rear, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm hitting. Boom. I'm just going up on the weight. So what y'all do, you go up on the weight, and that's how you get down with it. You know what I'm saying? There you go. I keep the belt on to keep me straight up, because you don't want to do too much bouncing. Right now, working, you already know what these lunges, man. Single lunges, man, doing them one at a time, man. Just trying to warm them up, get that blood flow in it. So I hold the dumbbells, you know what I'm saying, to get that blood flow, because we're trying to get these legs big. We want big legs, man. We don't want just the top big. A lot of people just only work the very top and don't want to work the bottom. So we definitely, you know, you're only in your legs, and you got bigger muscles in your legs, man. Big muscles, so you gotta work them all the time, man. Sometimes you may have to do legs twice a week. Sometimes 3 times a week, man. It all depends. Right here, boom, trying to get those curls, straight bar curls, man. I'm not going too heavy. My elbows are out. I'm trying to keep the contraction. I'm trying to keep all that on the muscle, man, so I don't have to worry about anything, man, because we don't want to cheat. We want to do everything right. That's what we want to do. We want to do everything right. So that's what we're doing right. Boom, curls. Just go high reps. You get that blood flowing in your biceps. It will work. And just see. Look at that face. Woo! Right here. Boom. Chest. Boom. Trying to get a big chest. I'm on the cables right here. As you can see, if you look in the very back, the weight isn't that high. The weight is light. But what I'm doing here is doing heavy weight, and I'm doing a lot of reps, and I'm concentrating, trying to concentrate on the muscle, trying to get that blood flow. Right here, the rows, back row, boom. Just got 2 plates on them, boom. Trying to get that back end, boom, pulling, boom. I'm pulling with my back, not my arms. I'm pulling from my back, but I got my mind on my back, my lower back. Here we go, Jeffersons all day long. These are Jeffersons. If you do these right, man, you have some pretty glutes and pretty hamstrings, man. You just gotta do it right and think. Gotta keep your mind on what you're working, your glutes, your hamstrings. Gotta keep your mind on that. You know what I mean? Boom. All day. Here we go. Trying to separate the chest. Flat bench with the dumbbells. We're trying to separate the chest. We're trying to get that middle, the line. We're trying to get that line. We're trying to spread it out. Trying to separate them. We don't want our chest together. We want it to be separated with pretty lines, pretty details, and a lot of blood flow and a lot of veins. That's what we're trying to get right there. Boom. Look at that. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Boom. All day. Incline right there. Look at that. Incline. That's incline right there. Boom. Go. Let's go. All day we're going up. And you keep doing that, man, it's going to swell up, and you're going to get a lot of blood flow going right there. And that's what you need. Here we go. We on the hat squat. We're doing it forward though. All day. Boom. Bend. Boom. Go up. We're trying to get those legs swole, man. We're trying to get those legs. We're trying to get the hamstrings, the quads, the glutes. You gotta keep your mind on those, man. Chest all day. We want a wide chest. This is what we're working on. Trying to get that wide chest. Boom. Wide chest all day long, man. Up, down. This is a compound movements all day long. Man, I'm telling you. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. Let's go. Some more Jeffersons. See, you can't never get enough of Jeffersons, man. Let's go. Down. Up. Squeeze. Yep. Squeeze. Yep. It's on the outside that counts, man. I appreciate y'all, tuning in. Tell everybody about it, man. Let's get bigger. Let's subscribe. Let's comments, everything. Let's get right, man. We got more to come.